So we have two heat sink. We need to remove carefully about this heat sink. Number one. Number two. This one, 700 parts. So what the issue of this hashboard KD5 not showing on miner status, and on KD5 we don't have a kernel log, so we cannot check which chip is that, so we need to test chip by chip and to see if there is any voltage missing. So first we need to check the visual check if there is any short, any damage, any explosion. So anyway, this is a new device, KD5. Let's talk about the KD5. So here we have chip 1. Chip 1, it's coming from here. Chip 1, chip 2, chip 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, and then it will go direct from 23 to 24, and that is the last chip. So we have a 6 testing point. It's RST, CLK, and TX, RX, CF, and enabled chip. It's named EN. Okay, so we need to test, we need to connect the power, and we need to connect the data cable and check where the voltage is missing, okay, by running it through the control board. This is a heatsink, and this one is the all 2 chip we have a 1 LDO, and every 2 chip we have a LDO. This LDO is concluding for sure 1.8, and 0.8 is coming from here. So every LDO it will support 2 chip. Every single LDO support 2 chip, and LDO from here it support this 2 chip. Okay, this is a Kadena or KD5. We don't have a PIC, we don't have a memory, we don't have any of the anti-miner. This is a Goldshell, so it's different type about anti-miner. So I will come back. Just we need to check to arrange the control board. The power supply is here. We need to connect the 10 volts. Okay. But the testing point is different from anti-miner for sure. There is a specific test point, so we can check which one is missing or not working. So after cleaning and visual inspection, we connect negative and the positive. This machine control units, positive, negative to this one I or cable. forget to test the boost circuit. So maybe the boost circuit is not good, so that's why we have a bad voltage here. So the boost circuit, it should be like 13, because we have here 10 volts, and the boost circuit it should be 13 volts. So boost up for the last chip. So let's test this one, the boost circuit. So this one is the boost circuit. It should be appear 13. It should be no drop voltage like from 10 to 13. Because any bad voltage here, it will affect for the last voltage, for last chip here, it will be abnormal. This boost it's provide the voltage for the last voltage. Circuit is good, and the normal chip is 10, and the boost circuit is 13. That's me. There is a bad chip or there's something. So what we need to do, boost circuit is good for sure. We have a 4 chip for last domain voltage. We need to remove 2 last chip and solder new chip. If no, then we can continue for 8 chip